Right, the Mitchell County Food Bank is a private, non-profit 501c3. We've been in here serving Mitchell County residents for 6 years. We see approximately 350 families per month. Of course, the family size can be from 1 to 5, 6, 7. We treat people with respect. We interview them each time they come to make sure that we're up to date on all that the number of people in the household and so forth.
Jimmy Godwin, he was the president at the time when we got involved with the Cancer Coalition. If I'm not mistaken, they contacted us and they gave us, we put in for a grant from the coalition and we received it that year and we started buying Ensure, and that's how we got involved. And of course they came down and we met with them at Equity Group, and that was a good meeting, and we've enjoyed the relationship, and we just thank you so much that we're able to do that.
Well, the Cancer Coalition allows us to distribute Ensure, and that's one of the things that most of the people who have cancer who come here would like to receive, because as you know, if you trying to buy Ensure from the grocery store, it's quite expensive. So Mr. Clay Banks of Georgia Equity, he gave the Cancer Coalition, I understand, a $3,000 grant exclusively for residents of Mitchell County. And that $3,000 goes a long way to assist cancer patients.
Keystone Foods is committed to being a good corporate steward and making a difference in the lives and community in which we operate. The Cancer Coalition came to us with the opportunity to provide Ensure to these patients in need. It was a no-brainer for us. Through the Mitchell County Food Bank, we're able to provide this much-needed nutritional supplement to help patients' lives that were just at a critical point in their lifetime.
Well, one thing, my wife has had breast cancer, and when she was taking chemo, she was sick. She had to take a shot to keep from being constantly sick, and they don't eat good. They have trouble eating and so forth. So the nutrition they get from the Ensure is a lifesaver for them.
We flag their file to see if they're cancer patients, and usually a doctor will verify for us that they need the Ensure, and we keep that on file so that when they come in, we'll be sure. We give them a case, sometimes 2 cases of Ensure monthly.
Cancer's a scourge that, especially in South Georgia, we have so much of it. You look at the churches, all these church prayer groups, you'll find so many people with cancer. I don't know the answer to it or whatever, but we do what we can to help.
I think we can really make a big difference here locally in the community, and some people that really need this education. This area's got a high cancer rate for our country, and it's our employees, our families around us, and you know, if we can reach out and make a difference. You know, it's one of those things that's really hard to measure. You know, what kind of difference are you really making? But you know that you are, because if they catch that cancer early, you're saving somebody's loss. You know, somebody getting lost in the system as well when they don't have insurance benefits and those type of things that happen through that critical time. So I really applaud the Cancer Coalition's mission in trying to help people that really need it. Well, it's a disease that's touched everybody. I mean, everybody knows somebody with this disease. I've lost my father and my stepfather to cancer, so it's got a personal relationship to me with this disease. And I just, you know, anything we can do to keep people from suffering for that kind of loss, we need to do it. And I appreciate what you guys do.
It's such a blessing to be able to do this, and it's a blessing that the Cancer Coalition has helped us out with getting Ensure. And we not only give the Ensure to the patients, we also give food if they need it.
We'll be here as long as we have food and as long as there's a need. We're thankful for all of our donors, and we appreciate every single one. Thank you.
If you want to volunteer, come down and check it out.